Hello viewers, welcome to JiniTech BD. In today's video I want to show you how to install Epson SureColor SC-T5130 large format printer. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get updates of the next video. Okay, so let's start. To install the printer, first of all you need set up the stands and bars and all other accessories. Please follow the steps showing in the video. Here are all the screws and an Allen key to insert the screws. Now I'm inserting the screws in base stand. You can follow the setup guide which is provided inside the box of the printer, or you can download the setup guide from the description of this video. Make sure to insert the bars all the way. Here, the L is indicating the left side and the R is indicating the right side. So, please install it correctly. Here is also mentioning the L and R. Please set it accordingly. Now, we are installing the paper basket as per the setup guide. Please see the video carefully, what I am doing. Well, we have set up the base stand, paper basket, and all other accessories. Now it is time to install the printer on the base stand.
Very carefully, two people must hold the printer together and lift it out of the box.
Now, you need to insert the screw to hold the printer with the stand. This is grounding cable. You must need to attach the grounding cable with the stand. Okay, now you must need to remove the protective materials like these blue tapes.
Please remove the safety locks.
Dear viewers, I am leaving here as of today. In the next video, we will show how to install the printer after powering on. Hope the video is useful for you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you already a subscriber, thank you so much.